my name's Joanna and I work for Galileo. My job is to create projects and activities for kids to help them grow as innovators. For today's challenge, you'll create 2 spinners that have different characters and actions on them, and then act out whatever they land on. You'll need to be visionary by imagining the funniest and most surprising characters and actions you can. Come on, I'll show you how to get started.
First, it's time to find your materials. Here are some of the things you can use. 2 pieces of paper, a piece of cardboard about the size of a paper, a glue stick and tape, scissors, a straw, 2 paper clips and a thumbtack, a pencil and marker, and a thin piece of cardboard about the size of your hand. Don't worry if you don't have all of these though. I'll give you some ideas for other things you can use too. Next, you'll cut 2 pieces of paper that will fit on your big piece of cardboard. Fold the papers into fourths and draw lines in the folds. Now it's time to be visionary. Think of a different character or animal to write in each box on your first paper. Remember, the funnier the better. On the other paper, you'll think of actions to do as the characters you came up with. Some examples could be to stomp, hop, sing, or dance, but the possibilities are endless, so try thinking of some new visionary actions too. Now, if you have so many great ideas, it's hard to fit them in just 4 boxes. Break the boxes in half so you can write twice as many things. Once both papers are done, glue them onto your cardboard. Now it's time to make the spinners. Grab a paper clip and bend one end of it straight up. Tape it down so the end poking up is in the middle of your paper. You'll need something to spin around the paper clip, so you can cut part of a straw off, or you can place some tape on a little piece of paper and roll it into a loop. Next, you'll cut out an arrow from some thin cardboard or a piece of cardstock paper. Before putting it on your spinner, you'll need to find its center of gravity. Just try balancing it on your finger. Once it's balanced, place a dot on the spot where your finger is. For this next part, you might need to ask an adult for help. Grab a thumbtack and push it through the dot. You can make this hole bigger by pushing a pencil through too. Finally, put a little piece of tape at the top of your paper clips so the arrows stay on. Sing like a cow? Moo 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 moo. I think we're ready to play. To start, find a partner or a group to play with. Then just spin both sides and act out whatever it lands on. There's no wrong way to act these out, so be visionary as you think of new ways to perform each combination.
Quack, 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 quack.
You can take turns acting it out. Or act it out together. You could even teach each other your version of the action so that your partner gets some new ideas.
So you gotta bend down.
Okay.
Like you're on all fours, and you gotta jump around and say bah, bah, bah.
When you're ready to step it up, try adding some emotions to your characters.
Dance like a confused bear.
Your partner could also try keeping a straight face, and you have to see how fast you can make them laugh. So many possibilities with this game. We can't wait to see the fun, innovative ways you think of playing it too.
Well, that's it for this challenge. If you made a Wheel of Wacky, we would love to see it, so please take a video or a picture and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
There you go. Okay, ready? Act like a monster.